Nah, it's fine. Surprisingly, this damn camera works good on this. Yeah, all that technology, cheap.
The old lady seen the thing on the internet that you could hook to your camera, and it puts the night vision on it. You can zoom in, but she didn't ever get a price on the whole thing. She said, "I want that." I said, "Well, what? What are you gonna do? I mean, what do you?" I can understand it if you got something to use it for, but just because you think it's cool, yeah,
Now it's already moving.
yeah, it's moving. That's it, because this side's up now.
You just can't get in there with this damn adjustable wrench.
What are you recording it for? So you know how you did something? Or when you get old, you can remember.
YouTube, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. That's very cool.
It's almost out of there. Damn cheap ass tool worked good, didn't it?
Yeah.
I'm glad I found that stuff. I went to the damn store. And I was like, I'm not paying no damn $70 for a piece of angle iron and a piece of all thread. I went over there to the shop down there in Irwin. Grabbed some out of the pile over there.
If you need some big pieces of steel, angle, heavy angle, 2-inch, I can hook you up on that.
Shit, I just bought a damn welder, man.
Did it?
Yeah.
Wire.
Everything. Well, not everything. It does TIG, MIG.
One of them high dollar ones.
Yeah, TIG, MIG, and
aluminum.
Yeah.
Reverses or something, and
stick too.
My buddy's got one.
I didn't know it'd do AC TIG, which is for aluminum, non-ferrous metals.
Yeah.
I talked to him about, oh yeah, it'll do.
You do something, you reverse it or something, don't you? Yeah.
It's just in the hookups.
Just a little bitty. That's what buddy of mine got. He said it cost him over $2,200 for the one he got. But he said I could do anything with this.
They had a 5 process that they were supposed to be coming out with a plasma cutter on it too. And they're like, nah. At first it was supposed to be October when they're releasing it. Then they said January, and then February next year. I was like, you know what? Just give me the 4-in-1 with the MMA, the TIG.
Everything but the plasma.
Yeah, everything but a plasma cutter. If I need a plasma cutter, I'll just buy one.
Yeah, just simple.
Which is nice to have.
Oh yeah, because it's a smooth cut. It don't get hot. It's
coming out.
Was.
Oh yeah. Let me pop this bottom off of here.
Yeah, I got a good buddy, man. He's a pipe welder, certified pipe welder. He's making about 45.
Okay, I'm dry fitting the sleeves now. I'm dry fitting the number 2 sleeve I got in there. There's no O-ring in there. Just clean the ridge up at the top. Any carbon. I've already cleaned down any O-rings. Take a razor blade or a wire wheel. And if there's any carbon up under here, just chip the carbon off. You hear it catching right there. Try and clean this back one. Carbon should pop right off when you're doing this, and you'll feel it. It'll feel kind of rough, and you can hear it. Let me switch sides here. going to want to get all the carbon out of there, and if you take your vacuum before you put the sleeves in, final assembly, clean the block out there. It'll have all kinds of, this one's got all kinds of corrosion up around the water jackets in the block there. You're going to want to clean that out. Make sure you get all the carbon off, and then probably I'll spray brake clean down in here to make sure, and probably blow it off with some air. And before you put it back together, you don't want to clean up. Once you got everything assembled in there, you're going to want to take some of your white lint-free cloth. You're going to blow off the crank. Get any dirt off of the crank before you put the rods back in there. And that's about it. Let me spray this thing off real quick. Try and fit the other sleeves in there. Let me show you how easy these sleeves should go in there. Now, I did another video on measuring these things before you order them. I want you to measure the thickness of the sleeve down at the bottom there where the O-ring groove is. I think there's two different ones. This is the no O-ring in there. This is just sleeve right in the block there. And you should be able to just pop it right up out of there. I haven't measured this one, but as far as the deck there, it feels about right. See how far it's sticking up there. Just use your depth gauge on your dial caliper there, so you can see it and measure in a couple of different spots. Yeah, it's about 5 thousandths right there. Five. That one's about 7. That's good enough for me. Let me try these other sleeves in here, see what we got. Now you're going to want to mark your pistons to go with whichever cylinder you got. So just kind of mark your sleeve. Now that one's still sticking up a little bit. Need to clean it out some more. Still a little higher than the other one. Yeah, that one's better. Got to do that front one there. Clean it out some more. Before we put the O-rings in there, pull another one of these out here. Now these things here, I just numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 front to back, which is where they're supposed to be. So you're just going to mark your sleeve with whichever piston goes with it. No, that one's sticking up way too damn high. It's still got some carbon on here. Need to clean that front and back one off. Anyway, you got the idea what to do. Let me finish cleaning these up. That's it for this one. I'll do more when I actually put the rods and pistons in there, which won't be today. Probably one day this week I'll come back up here. It's about a 25-30 minute drive for me to get up here. Not a guy's house doing this. Old girl's in pretty good shape for being in 1951. And this one actually got used a lot. A lot. Not recently, but I guess in the 50s and 60s on up through the 70s, they were still using it quite a bit, maybe even up into the 80s or 90s. And then I guess when her dad died, they quit using it, and it got parked ever since then. All right, that's it. Thank you. If you like my videos, subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell. There will always be more. Thank you. Have a good Sunday.